Good morning, students. I'm a social teacher, and today I'm going to teach you the first lesson, globes and maps. Now, as we all know, the Earth is the only planet where we all live on, and its shape is round. But for a long time, people believed that the shape of the Earth was flat. This view was changed in 1519 by a Spanish explorer called Ferdinand Magellan when he set out on a voyage. Voyage means a long journey on a ship. He started with his crew. Crew means who works on ship from Europe and sailed in one direction. Now, here is the picture of Ferdinand Magellan. This one. After 3 years, in 1522, the ship reached the same point in Europe from where they started. After 3 years, they came back to same place where they had started. Now, the earth is so big that we cannot see the whole earth at the same time from place where we stand. That is why we use a globe. Now, I'll show you the globe. This is the globe. The globe is spherical or round in shape. It shows the position of the continents and oceans accurately. It shows the positions of the continents like South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, etc. And it shows the oceans also, like South Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, but on a globe we can see only half part of the earth at a time, while the other half is hidden here. To see the other part, we must rotate the globe like this. In a globe, you will see one road which comes from here to here. That is called Earth's axis. Now, the axis means an imaginary line passing through the center of the Earth, which rotates from west to east. There are the 2 points or two ends on which the globe rotates, one at the top and one at the bottom. The top one is called North Pole and the bottom one is called the South Pole. The axis is not vertical but it is tilted at angle. Now, the shape of the axis is not vertical but it is tilted at an angle. A globe gives us an idea how the earth looks like, and it also helps us the rotation of the earth. However, it has some limitations too. Now, the limitations are globes are not big enough to show all the details of the earth. Globes cannot show all the details of the earth. And point number two is they are not easy to carry from one place to another. It means they are not handy. Means globes are not handy to carry from one place to another. So to overcome these limitations, we need maps. Now, maps. A map is a representation or drawing of the earth on a part of it or on a flat surface such as papers. Now, there are different types of maps. They are physical, political, and thematic. A physical map shows natural features of the earth such as mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. A political map shows boundaries between countries, states, and districts. A thematic map shows a particular theme about a geographic area such as rivers, climate, rainfall, road, etc. Now, come to the next point, and the next point is language of a map. The language of a map includes a title, direction, scale, colors, and symbols, legends, or key in order to understand it. Now, there are certain language in a map to understand it. Let us go one by one. At first, we'll go to the title. The title denotes or shows us the purpose of a map. It is given at the top of the map in bold letters. For example, India physical. Now next come to the directions. Now, as we know, there are four main directions: north, south, east, and west. But there are some semi directions also, and they are northeast, southwest, southeast, and northwest. They help us to locate different places. Here, these are the directions. Now we'll go to the next point, and its name is the scale. A scale is to show the distance between places on a map. A scale is a ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map. Now a scale is used to show the distance between the places on a map. Here, see. Now let's go to the colors. Now here are some colors and symbols which shows the different features, such as, look at the international boundary. This line and dots, these are the symbols of international boundary. State boundary, this dot is the symbols of state boundary. Road, this is the symbol of road. Like this railway line, look at here, bridge, river, lake, dam, tank, trees, grass, airports, temple, church, hospital, post office. Now we'll go to next point, and the next point is the legend or key. To understand the color scheme and symbols used in a map, a key or legend is made in a box at a corner of the map. Now to understand a key or legend, we have to go to the corner of the map. Now I'll show you. This is the key or legend of the map. Come to the advantages of maps over globes. Point number 1, maps are small and handy. Now 2, maps can be folded and carried easily from place to place. Now we can fold the map and we can carry from one place to another place easily. Maps show small areas in great detail. Now maps show the small areas also in greater detail, which we cannot see in globes. Your lesson number 1 explanation is over. Now I'm going to give you homework. Now this is your homework. Write in your homework copy. If you don't have homework copy, then write in your SS test copy. So with this I'm concluding my lesson for today.